Hi, I'm Pastor Seiboi from New Lambulane Baptist Church in File. I would like to say good evening to one and all, especially my Facebook friends. Hope everyone is keeping well. Friends, you are not there with an accidentally, but God placed you with a great purpose. I count it's a privilege to present one song tonight again. Actually, I do not know who composed this song, but I do know this is a testimonial song, the life and the testimony of man of God, well known to all over the world. Many young men and young ladies have been inspired by seeing his physical structure, by listening his message, preaching. He's none other than a man of God, 𝐃𝐎𝐍'𝐶. I love him. I love to sing this song. So please listen to this song. In Christ alone, my hope is found. He is my light, my strength, my soul, this cornerstone, this solid ground, firm through the fiercest drought and storm. What heights of love, what depths of peace, when fears are still, when striving cease, my comforter, my all in all. Here in the love of Christ I stand. In Christ alone, who took him thence, fullness of God in helpless babe, this gift of love and righteousness, scorned by the ones he came to save, till on that cross, as Jesus died, the wrath of God was satisfied. For every sin on him was laid. Here in the dead of Christ I stand. There in the ground his body lay, light of the world by darkness slain, then bursting forth in glorious day, up from the grave he rose again, and as he stands in victory, since curse has lost its grip on me, for I am his and he is mine, bought with the precious blood of Christ. No guilt in life, no fear of death. This is the power of Christ in me. From a life first cry to final breathe, Jesus command my destiny. No power of hell, no scheme of man could ever pluck me from his hand. Till he returns, all calls me home. Here in the power of Christ I stand. No power of hell, no scheme of man could ever pluck me from his hand. Till he returns, all calls me home. Here in the power of Christ I stand. Thank you. Good night. God bless you all.